Video we will see how to change my email in a Spotify on Windows PC. You can easily change your email on your Spotify app. Open a Spotify in your system and here click on your profile icon from the top right corner and choose account. Because in settings not any email changing option available. In settings no email change option is here available, so go to account it will open in a browser. You are being redirected and here scroll down and you will find the option edit profile. Click on edit profile. And here your username and email address is mentioned. Simply change email address from here as per your new address. Enter here and finally save changes. Scroll down and click on save changes. Your email address in a Spotify app successful. A verification code you will receive, enter here. That's all.